Okay, hello, hi guys! Magandang hapon sa inyong lahat. This is Enriquez Mama Sagari Channel, a faith healer o Zamata reader. So ngayong hapon na tatagyan natin sabihin sa iyo ng ating mga gabay. So this is a monthly gabay for the month of April 2025 for the sign of Libra. So Libra, welcome to my channel. Ano kayong messages, advices, and spirit guides ang ating masasaga for today's video? Kanina kayang energy or kaganapan sa buhay ng mga Libra signs ang ating mga hagilap. So guys, this reading is a general reading lamang, hindi lahat makaka-resonate. Kunin lamang po ang makaka-relate sa inyo. And comment down below kung kaninong energy ang ating nasagap. And of course, don't forget to like and subscribe my channel. And notification bell for more videos of Dilipis. Maraming salamat po. Sa mga walang sawang pag-support sa aking channel, lalo-lalo na ang hindi nag-i-skip ng ads, naway pagpalain kayo ng Diyos at may kapal, siksik, liglig, nag-uumapa mo na biyayang manong balik sa inyo. So let's see guys, what is the messages, advice ng ating angel spirit for the sign of Libra. So let's see and watch this. Ano kaya kaganapan sa buhay ng mga Libra signs ang ating mga hagilap? So guys, tuklasin at bubulabugin natin. Angel spirit, please give me information pa. Okay, so this is something guys. Oh my goodness. So, there's a 5 of Cups, disappointment, no regret. Now, may mga pangyayari sa buhay mo na mga maaaring pinagsisisihan mo, or maaaring ngayong buwan na ito, maaaring may mga bagay na pagsisihan ka. And there's a King of Cups by devoted sa 40%. May taong sumusuporta at gumagaway sa dito. And of course, guys, there's something that Page of Wands by good news. May magandang balita din daw dito na hiyahandog sa'yo. Ay, pasabog. Let's see. Additional messages. So there's the word card representing trouble, success, accomplishment, a victory is yours, no? Let's see what is additional messages. So there's something, the 6 of Wands for a victory. My goodness. May mga bagay na mapagtatagumpayan mo na, no? May mga bagay na maaaring magdala sa'yo ng tagumpay. Let's see what is additional messages. And there's a Death card, guys, with an ending and a new beginning. May mga bagay na matatapos na, may mga bagay na magsisimula na may mga bagay na unti-unti nang babaguhin, no? Ayon sa iyong mga gawa. So, let's see what is the 5 of Cups. 5 of Cups represented with the 5 of Swords. Now, there's something self-sabotage, no? Kumbaga, mag-ingat ka sa bawat kilos at galaw mo dahil lahat ng mga bagay na gagawin mo ay maaaring mag-reflect sa'yo at pagsisihan mo. O, maging aware. What is the King of Cups? There's a 6 of Pentacles, the giving, receiving something by the universe. May support. Na may taong sumusupport sa'yo, or there's something provider na maaaring nagbibigay ng tulong sa'yo, sumusuport at nagmamahal sa'yo. No, there's something flow, financial windfall. What is the Page of Wands? Reference with the 7 of Swords. Mag-ingat ka, there's a sneakiness cheating lying on you. Na maraming taong sinungaling manluloko sa paligid at malalaman mo ang balita. No, dun pa mismo sa Marites at Chismosa. What is the World card? Represent what? There's a Page of Swords. See? There's a smiling, looking, watching at you. Now, maraming sumusubaybay. Maraming taong nakatingin sa'yo. So, ibig sabihin, galingan mo. What is the 6 of Wands? The 6 of Wands represent with the Justice card. Don't you worry, karma is waving. So, may mga bagay na papabor din sa'yo. Lahat ng mga bagay na ginawa sa'yo, maaaring bumalik sa kanila yan. So, maghintay ka na perfect timing here. What is additional messages with the Death card? So, this is the King of Pentacles being security. Maging secure ka pagdating sa finances, no? Pangalagaan, protection at pangatawanan mo kung ano man yung bagay na meron ka, no? Kung tatapusin mo na at maaaring magkaroon ng bagong panimula, no? Ang iyong finances. What is the 5 of Cups or the 5 of Swords? There is something, guys, with the 3 of Pentacles. For collaboration, guys, communicate clearly. So, kailangan mo makipag-usap, makipagtalakay ng maayos at wasto. What is the King of Cups or the 6 of Pentacles? Reference with the 10 of Cups, happiness, na magiging masaya at magiging maligaya ka this time, no? Magdadala sa ito ng fulfillment and of happiness, no? Magtutuloy-tuloy na magandang kapalaran para sa iyo. What is the Page of Wands or the 7 of Swords? Reference with the Wheel of Fortune. Now, there's something turning back, guys. No, magiging maganda na ang ikot ng kapalaran sa iyo. Magiging maganda na ang sitwasyon na kinagagalawan mo. No, dahil babaguhin ito ang landasin mo, no? May magandang balita. Ibig sabihin, bago pa makarating sa iyo to, tumaga marami nang nakaalam. Ay, What is the dish? Oh, there's something swerte din, no? Some of you baka tumama ka sa loto. Na mag-ingat ka, huwag ka rin bibigyan ng informasyon. What is the word card? Because the Page of Swords. There's a Three of Swords, no? See, I told you, maraming inggitera. Maraming mga taong naiinggit behind your back, guys. Let's see what is the Six of Wands. Reference with a full card for a leap of faith, no? Tapangan mo, lakasan mo, loob mo, maging matapang ka sa lahat ng hamon, lahat ng mga bagay na pagdadaanan mo, kailangan palaban ka. Dahil magtatagumpay ka. At sinasabi sa'yo dito, makukuha mo yung totoong hustisya. No? Yung karapat dapat para sa'yo. Dahil sa pananampalataya at tiwala mo ito na magtatagumpay ka. What is the Death card? It's the King of Pentacles. Reference with the Sun card. See, this is something very positive outcome. Maaaring magiging maganda talaga kalalabasan nito. No, tatapusin yung mga kahibangan, tatapusin yung mga paghihintay dahil ito na ang matagal mo nang hinintay. What is the additional messages for the outcome? Represent with the Two of Swords, there's a decision that you need to make. So, kailangan mo rin magdesisyon. No, there's a final decision or final destination. And this is something, the Seven of Cups, something confusion, maaaring naguguluhan ka, pero dahil maraming opportunities na iyahain sa'yo. No, and this is something, guys, with the Eight of Pentacles, just focus, no? Mag-focus ka lang sa mga bagay na alam mong kaya mo, no? Kumaga, you are also multitasker. Basta kailangan sinasabi dito, yung alam mong kontrolado at alam mo kaya mong gawin or i-manage, ilaban mo. Let's see, additional messages for finances and career. And there's a King of Wands, something ambition. Lagi mo pakakatandaan yung magiging posibilidad ng eksena mo pagdating sa business industry, pagdating sa negosyo, pagdating sa trabaho. No, look at the bigger picture. And this is something, guys, with the Six of Cups, no, especially with your friends, na pagdating sa negosyo, trabaho, hanap buhay, walang kamag-anak, walang kaibigan, walang kahit na sino dyan. Now, let's see, one more card, please. And this is something, the Eight of Swords, no, dahil napapalibutan ka ng toxicities. No, there's something user, parasite. No, yung mga taong nandyan lang kapag meron ka. Kilala kapag meron ka. Kilala kapag nangangailangan ng tulong nila. Diba? Kung sinasabi dito, dapat alam sa sarili mo, ha? Yung grounds mo. No, kapag alam mo sa sarili mo, inaabuso ka, ginagamit ka, ganon. What is the additional messages for love life? There's a temperance for healing, no? Kung magkakaroon ka ng healing pagdating sa buhay, pag-ibig, maaring worth waiting for. Maghintay ka ng taong para talaga sa'yo. And this is something that's something burden, no? Kumbaga, marami ka mga pinagdaanan pagdating sa buhay, pag-ibig. This is something, guys, maaring ma-relief na, no? Parang, kumbaga, mabunutan ka ng tinik, maaring matagpuan mo na siya. Ay, pasabog. And there's an Eight of Cups with a moving on and getting away from this situation. Talaga makakalaya ka talaga sa bangungutang nakarang pagdating sa buhay, pag-ibig. No, dahil itong tao na ito magpapatunay sa'yo, even your flaws, na mamahalin ka maging sino ka man. Ay, pasabog. Let's see what is a health card. Let's see. About sa health, there's a Three of Wands, there's a waiting for a ship. Naghihintay ka ng resulta or document papers, no? At magiging maganda ng kalusugan mo dito. And this is something the Five of Wands in reverse, is something no more complication. No, wala na magsisilbing komplikasyon pagdating sa kalusugan mo. And this is something the Page of Pentacles. Kasi alam mo na sa sarili mo yung grounds mo eh. No, kapag bawal, umiwas ka sa mga bawal. No, tantanan mo. Wag kang matigas ang ulo. So let's see, what is additional messages with a Yin and Yang Oracle card? For a Yin and Yang Oracle card, represent what? Represent with a garden. So see, you're feeling vulnerable. No? Kaya kailangan mo sa sarili mo yung ground mo. Huwag kang matigas ang ulo dito. Tapos mag-emote ka, magdadrama-drama ka. Oh. Iwasan mo yung mga bawal para hindi nakaka-apekto sa'yo. And there's a regret. Kung di pagsisisiyan mo to, panghihinayangan mo. And this is something distansya. O see, kailangan mo dumistansya sa mga pagkaing bawal. Magtantan ka rin with the toxic friends and toxic environment. Additional messages tayo with synchronicities. For synchronicities represent what? And there's a Shrine card, guys. Kailangan mo maging malakas, maging matibay. And there's a Magician, the Raven. Ibig sabihin, may aswang, no? Na sumusubaybay sa'yo. Kaya pala may maraming mata, no? Na nakatingin sa'yo. May inggiterang kapitbahay. Charis. And of course, there's something a new career. Magkakaroon ka din ng bagong career with the magical fairy messages. And there's a let go. May mga bagay na kailangan mo pakawalan at bitawan. Umalis ka na dyan, no? Sa paligid mo, at of course, dyan sa lugar nyo. What is additional messages for Romance Angel for a Mystic Love Oracle deck? And there is a family security. Magiging secure na rin yung pamilya mo dito. No? And this is something, guys, with our friends. No? Influence with the friends. No, kumbaga sinasabi dito, umiwas kayo sa mga bad influence. What is additional messages for Archangel Michael messages for you? Archangel Michael messages is you created the situation and you have the power to change it. Ikaw yung naglagay sa sitwasyon mo, ikaw din yung makakagawa na para makaalis ka dyan. Ibig sabihin, inabuso ka dahil sa kabaitan mo. Kaya ngayon pa lang, tantanan mo na yung mga ganong gawain mo, na kaya kayo naabuso dahil din sa sarili mo. No? There's an honor and trust your feelings, no? Kumbaga makinig ka sa gut feeling mo, and lean on God and angel support. Nandito ang ating Panginoon sa ginagawa at sinusuportahan ka. Let's see what is the angel's answer represent what? Angel's answer represent abundance. So talaga magkakaroon ka na kasaganahan na walang humpay, guys. It's good. Abundance. And this is something, guys, with the situation improved, no? Unti-unti na magbabago ang sitwasyon mo. And this is something, guys, listen to your intuition. Makinig ka sa gut feeling mo. Makinig ka sa visions and vibrations mo. No, hindi ka ililigaw niyan. Let's see what is additional messages with an angel spirit guides. And there's a portal. Now, there's a doors are opening, no? Maraming pinto ang magbubukas sa'yo, magdadala sa'yo ng reward, efforts, or fruit of labors, no? Lahat ng mga paghihirap mo, ito na, no? Ibibigay na sa'yo ng abot kamay. And this is something you're not alone. Hindi ka nag-iisa, kaya iwasan mo magdrama. Ha? Huwag kang mag-isip ng problema, isipin mo ang solusyon. What is additional messages with the Romance angels? Oh, see, I told you what waiting for. Di ba pagdating sa pag-ibig, kailangan mong hintayin yung taong para sa'yo talaga. Unrequited love. Some of you guys nawala ng gana, na out of love, parang nawala ka ng pag-ibig or pagmamahal sa tao na yan. So let's see what is the chakra messages. For the chakra messages represent what? Represent, guys, with complaisance, no? Huwag mong hayaan mahuli ang lahat. No, gawin mo yung mga bagay na magdadala sa iyo ng kaginawaan, no, at pag-asa. And there's a despondent. So parang gulong-gulong ka sa nangyayari. Gusto nito parang mapariwara ka, gusto nito para mabaliw ka. And there's a discover. Unti-unti mo daw madi-discover lahat ng mga bagay na yan. There's a prayer. Magdasal ka, no, i-surrender mo, mag-devotion ka, magpondo ka, and there's a growth. Magkakaroon ka ng growth and expansion, and this is something, a gratitude, just being thankful sa lahat ng nangyayari sa buhay mo. No? Kumbaga magdasal ka, humingi ka ng gabay, humingi ka ng tawad sa ating po, may kapal, at magpasalamat ka sa lahat ng nangyayari sa buhay mo. What is additional messages? And this is something abundance. So, oh my God, there's a double clarification. Magkakaroon ka talaga ng abundance dito. No? Magiging maganda talaga ang iyong buhay, hindi lang siya tungkol sa pera, kundi sa love life and career and health. And there's a loneliness. Huwag kang mag-alala, hindi ka nag-iisa. Ginagabayan ka ng ating angel spirit. And you will never be alone. What is additional messages with the angel spirit? And there's a love, no? Pagdating sa buhay mo, na may love involvement talaga. And there's a lesson learned. Matuto ka na sa lahat ng mga bagay na pagdaanan mo. There's a right passage. Dahil nakapasa ka na sa lahat ng mga bagay na pinagdaanan mo. No, kumbaga, wag na lang maulit yung ganung scenario. Matuto ka na. Kaya there's a lesson. What is Archangel Raphael messages? And massage. So some of you guys, no, kailangan nyo na massage, exercise, and there's some home health. No, kailangan nyo ng tulong ni Archangel Raphael for you, para unti-unti ka nang gumaling sa iyong mga karamdaman. So let's see what is additional messages. And there's a support, guys, no? Sinusuporta ka ng ating angel spirit dito. And there's a counseling, no? There's a something, makinig ka sa mga advices, no? Ng ating mga gabay. And there's a let go, na may mga bagay na kailangan mo na pakawalan at bitawan. Let's see what is the energy represent what? Energy represent the magician and the mirror. So see, there's a lot of reflection. So lahat ng mga bagay na gagawin mo, magre-reflect sa'yo, kaya kailangan mag-ingat ka. And there's a third chakra, Archangel Chamuel. Ibig sabihin dito, pag-ingatan mo ang iyong kalusugan, especially na pagdating sa iyong sikmura at sa iyong dibdib. No? This is something heartburn. No? Of course, there is something, guys, with a headache. No? Maaaring sumasakit yung ulo mo, sumasakit dibdib mo, at sumasakit yung sikmura mo. No? Mag-ingat ka. There's an acid. No? Let's see what is the additional message with the Monsology. Work through your fears. So, kailangan mo labanan ng takot at pangamba mo dito, ha? And a fairy climax approaches. Nasa exciting part ka na. Oh my God, wow. What is the Jesus loving quote said? A Jesus loving quote said, let's see. And peace be with you as my Father has sent me. So see, bigyan mo ng kapayapaan tulad ng kapayapaan na binigay ng ating Panginoon sa atin, no? Ibig sabihin dito, kumbaga, pumili ka ng bagay na makakahinga ka, no? Huwag kang pumasok sa isang bagay na puno ng negatibo, na alam mong kontra sa'yo, na alam mong, kumbaga, maraming nasasabi sa'yo, kailangan mo ng alagaan yung mental health mo. No? Umiwas ka sa mga taong mapanghusga, sa mga chismosa, no? Kung it's either lumipat ka ng bahay or lumipat ka ng lugar, no? Or trabaho, kasi marami talagang ganyan, no? Kailangan mo mabuhay na mapayapa. What is an angel's number represent what? There is something blessed in disguise, no? For let's see, there might be some difficulties ahead, but you will push through. You got this. If you have been struggling or feeling lost, the wind of a change will blow in your favor. If you've been suffering or feeling lost, some things may fall apart, but you build the frameworks for something much better hanging there. So, magtiwala ka. Hindi yan ibibigay sa'yo ng ating Panginoon kung hindi yan makakabuti sa'yo. Kaya nga nagkakaroon ng blessing this, guys, eh. Ibig sabihin, kumbaga, plano ng ating Panginoon ni pagkaloob sa'yo yan sa may magandang kahihinatnan yan sa'yo, na may tulong yan ng ating mga gabay. So, ibig sabihin, meron kang dapat gawin, meron kang dapat ayusin, meron kang dapat alisin. And this is something, guys, with the 24-24 with the good times. You aren't worthy of affection, leisure, and pleasure. If you tell your family and friends how you feel, you find that you're on the same page and can work together effectively. Many people are rooting for you. If you spread love, it will find the way back to you multiplied. So see, kumbaga sinasabi dito sa'yo na, kumbaga mahalin mo, no? Or tanggapin mo yung mga bagay o opinion ng mga tao sa paligid mo, lalo na yung pamilya mo. No? Malay mo parehas kayo na nararamdaman, malay mo parehas kayo ng sitwasyon, kailangan marunong ka rin mag-open up, no? Kailangan mo kumawala sa comfort zone mo. So let's see what is the messages of life. Let's see what is the messages of life represent what? Messages of life represent, okay, beyond limitations. Today, I exceed my own expectations. I open my consciousness to the infinite. There are no limitations. There is no end. Everything is unfolding in continuous now. Therefore, I open my thoughts towards a border horizon. I look beyond my perception of reality, beyond all barriers created from my own beliefs and fears. I am now open to the new possibilities. So, see, hindi ka natakot, no? Kumbaga, binubuksan mo ng isip at puso mo sa lahat ng posibilidad na magaganap. Handa ka na sa bagong pagbabago sa buhay mo. So guys, this is the monthly gabay for the month of April 2025 for the sign of. For the sign of Libra. So Libra, maraming salamat for this wonderful reading. So once again, this reading is a reading lamang hindi lahat makaka-resonate. Kung hindi lamang po makaka-relate sa inyo. And comment down below kung kaninong energy ang ating nasagap. And of course, don't forget to like and subscribe my channel and notification bell for more videos update. Because maraming salamat po sa mga walang sawang pagsuporte sa aking channel, lalo-lalo na ang hindi nag-i-skip ng ads away, pagpalain kayo ng Diyos at may kapal siksik, liglig, nag-uumapaw na biyayang manang balik sa inyo. At maraming salamat and see you in the next video. Bye-bye and babush!